In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove member from Skool community. This will be a quick walkthrough showing you exactly where to click and what each part of the process means, so you can confidently manage your community when someone needs to be removed. First, start by going to your Skool community. Make sure you're logged into the correct account that has permission to manage members, usually as an owner, admin, or moderator. Open your community from your Skool dashboard, and once you're inside, you'll see the main layout with tabs across the top such as Classroom, Community, and Members. We'll be working from there. Next, click on the Members tab. This is where you can see everyone who's currently part of your community. The Members page is useful because you can search for people, filter different types of members, and manage their access. If you're dealing with a large community, you may want to use the search bar to quickly find the person you're planning to remove, either by their name or email if it's displayed. Once you've found the right person on the members page, look for the option called membership. This is usually located next to the member's name or within a drop-down menu linked to that member. Go ahead and click on membership. This opens up the specific settings related to how that person is connected to your group, including their role, status, and access. Inside the membership options, you'll see a choice to remove that person from the group. Click on Remove from Group. At this stage, Skool is basically preparing to revoke that person's access to your community. They will no longer be able to participate, view content, or interact with other members once you confirm this action. Before you proceed, quickly double-check that you have the correct member selected, because this step directly affects their ability to stay in the community. After clicking Remove from Group, a confirmation window will appear asking if you're sure. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental removals. To complete the process, click on Remove. Once you do this, the member will be removed from your Skool community and they should disappear from your active member list. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove a member from your Skool community using the built-in membership controls.